Feeling knots in your shoulders can be a real challenge, but there are gentle, organic ways to release that tension. One of my favorite methods is to incorporate deep breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose, allowing your belly to rise, and then exhale fully through your mouth. This not only calms your mind, but also helps relax those tight muscles. Next, consider using essential oils like lavender or peppermint. A few drops mixed with a carrier oil can work wonders when massaged into the affected area. The soothing scents and properties can enhance relaxation and promote blood flow. Hydration is key too. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins that can contribute to muscle tightness. Stretching is another powerful tool. Simple shoulder rolls or neck stretches can help alleviate tightness. Just take a moment to gently tilt your head side to side, feeling the release with each movement. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a warm compress. Applying heat can increase circulation and ease discomfort. Just a few minutes can make a significant difference. Embracing these organic methods can lead to a more relaxed and tension-free day.